In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add languages to your WordPress website with ease and efficiency. We'll be using a handy tool to make sure your site is accessible to a wider audience by offering multiple language options. So, let's jump right in. To begin, head over to your WordPress site and navigate to the dashboard. This is your main control center for managing your website, where you can make all sorts of changes and updates. Once you're there, you want to look for the plugins section on the sidebar. Click on it, and then select the Add New button. Plugins are extensions that add functions to your WordPress site, and this particular plugin will help us handle the language translations. Next, you'll see a search bar where you can look for new plugins. Type in gTranslate. This plugin is a great tool for automatically translating your site's content into various languages. Once you find it, you'll want to make sure it's installed and activated. If you've already done this, you're ahead of the game. Now, after ensuring gTranslate is installed, head over to the Plugins section again and find gTranslate in your list of installed plugins. There, you'll see a settings link. Click on it to open the configuration page. Here, you can get the plugin set up exactly how you want. When you land on the settings page, the first thing you'll notice is the option to select your widget style and design. This determines how the language selection option will appear on your site. Choose a style that fits your site's aesthetic and decide on the placement for the language selection box. Currently, you might only see one language displayed. That's because we haven't added more languages yet. Scrolling down the options, you'll find a section called All Languages. This is where you can add as many languages as you need to your site by simply checking the boxes next to each language you want available. After selecting the languages you wish to add, you will return to the top part of that page, noticing that the Select Language drop-down now shows multiple options, reflecting the languages you've chosen. This gives your visitors the freedom to choose the language in which they are most comfortable. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button before leaving the settings page. Saving your settings ensures that all the changes take effect, and voila! Your WordPress site will now cater to a multilingual audience, enhancing accessibility and user engagement. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding languages to your WordPress site with gTranslate. Make sure to spend some time exploring the plugin's customization options to further tailor the experience for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make your site more inclusive and user-friendly.